Hello, Sarah here. This is my presentation of a pH scale for Miss Long's Biology 168. So over here on the left-hand side, we have the pH scale. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, 7 being exactly in the middle. Anything with a pH of 7 is considered to be neutral. It neither falls under the acidic category or the basic category. Water in its purest form is neutral. This means that water with a pH of 7 has a perfectly balanced count of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions. I'll also note really quickly that using this animation, the hydrogen ion is represented as hydronium ion because when you put hydrogen ion in water, it mixes with the H2O and becomes hydronium ion. But the representation for hydrogen ion is H+, and I know that. So as you move up or down the pH scale, so let's say into the acidic category, so something that's extremely acidic with a pH of almost 0 is going to be something like battery acid. When you go down the pH scale, what happens to your hydrogen ions is they go up. So the hydrogen ion count goes the opposite direction of your pH levels. The opposite is true when you go up the pH scale. So if your pH levels are really high, your hydroxide ion count is going to go way up and your hydrogen ion count is going to go down. So basically the hydrogen ion count goes the opposite direction of your pH scale, and the hydronium ion goes in the same direction as your pH scale. Another important thing to note when talking about the pH scale is going to be the pH of your blood. Your blood stays in a relatively neutral range, however, it does fall under the basic category, and blood stays around 7.4. This means that your blood has a slightly higher concentration of hydroxide ions than hydrogen ions. Thank you, that is all, and this is my pH scale presentation.